It has been a while since I made a nice cake, so today I'm going to make one with skyr. Skyr is a high protein yogurt from Iceland. It is thicker and smoother than Greek yogurt and it has a nice tarty flavor. I'm going to mix this with the dough so that the cake will be nice and moist. To make the cake, add 300 grams or 2 1/3 cup of flour to a bowl, together with 300 grams or 1/3 cup of skyr, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of sugar, 2 medium eggs, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together with either a mixer or a whisk till it is a smooth dough. Because I use skyr and skyr is quite thick, this will be likely a very dense cake, but that's to be expected. When your dough is done, grab a handful of blueberries and gently mix them into the dough with a spoon. The blueberries will add some extra moisture and flavor to the cake. When your dough is done, grab an oven dish, line it with baking paper and add your dough into it. Turn on your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your cake inside and bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Let your cake cool a bit and serve with some leftover skyr and blueberries, either on the side or on top of the cake. Blueberry skyr cake, dense and moist. Also nice and a little bit festive with some skyr and blueberries. It is not a very sweet cake, but the blueberries add a lot to that. You can also add other fruit if you want, such as raspberries or blackberries. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my video and let me know if there is something you want me to make in the future. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.